What's up, sneakerheads, nerds, and what we have here is an unboxing. This is a 4-year-old New Balance Bait G.I. Joe collaboration shoe. Just got it off of StockX. So what we're gonna do now is open it up. How does that sound?
Great.
All right, let's take a look at it. All right, so we unboxed it from the cardboard box after a little bit of a cutting mishap. This shit happens. So we've got our New Balance Cobra Commander Bait shoes. They are the 574 model. Obviously we got a ML574GI, I guess for G.I. Joe. That must be their special code. And crack them open, see what's going on. There is supposed to be one piece in here that was supposed to come as a bait exclusive, because these are bait exclusive shoes. And we'll see if it comes up. Let's open them up. Crack it open. Here we go. So far I like what I see. It's not bad. It's got a blue leather with some snakeskin pattern on there. We got some silver reflective on the outsole. The bottom of the shoe is a very plasticky. It doesn't even feel like rubber. It feels like plastic red. Hopefully they're comfortable. Got the New Balance beret right there. 574 is the logo. Inside we've got the New Balance Bait and Cobra Commander insole. That's also reflective silver to match the outside. I believe the outside of the N is a 3M reflective type. So I'll take some pictures with a flash after, and I'll post it with a video or some video with some flash and see if that reflects. But all in all, I'm impressed with the first one. Let's see what's going on in the second. Alright, same pattern, but the beret is a little different. Got our StockX authenticity badge going, and we got the bait logo there. Again, we got the bait logo and the Cobra Commander New Balance on the insole. Can you see that? If you can't, do a B-roll, figure it out. So we also have an extra 2 sets of laces. Oh, they're in the other box. 2 sets of laces. We got silver and we got red to match the silver and red of the shoe. Pretty sweet, but the only thing that is missing, we're missing the bait Cobra Commander. I guess it was like a wooden coaster, bait exclusive. So, I mean, they are 4-year-old shoes. I guess that comes with the territory. Somebody sold these to StockX and somewhere along the lines it went missing. Whatever. But this insole does look a little different. Let's take that out. Take this laces out. Alright, well that came out pretty easy. Love these shoes, but I guess this comes with 4-year-old shoe territory too. Got a little bit of a warping here, and whatever adhesive was in there is now gone. You feel no residue, no stickiness, nothing. So hopefully they're comfortable when you wear them, because that would suck. But all in all, I didn't pay too much for these shoes. I think I got them off of StockX for, I think it was like 80 bucks shipped. It's not too bad. Again, they're 4-year-old shoes, and I never knew they were even around until a coworker told me about them. So I figured I'm a nerd and I have a bunch of nerdy shoes, so I had to get them. I got them. I'm impressed. Now I gotta find the other pairs, or see what the hell happened with the wooden coaster. So all in all, I'm impressed. Can't complain about them. Try them on and see where we go from here. So, just did some B-roll shots on footwear. They are pretty comfortable in the collection currently. I only have Nikes and I have Adidas. Currently rocking the Adidas SL or the X-Wings, the latest Star Wars Adidas line. These will definitely be my first New Balance shoes, and I'm not disappointed. They are pretty damn comfortable. I know they tend to run small a lot of the time. For a 4-year-old shoe that's dead stock, I cannot complain. I mean, the soles are clean, the suede is clean, everything everything is looking great, so I can't wait to get on the street and rock these. And I guess that went off. Keep coming back to the page, like, comment, subscribe, check out our Instagram with the same name, a bunch of photography pictures of shoes and nerd shit. So come back, check it out, and thanks for watching.